Hey there! If you've ever been part of a construction project, you know change is just part of the game. Materials get delayed, owners request revisions, weather doesn't cooperate. The question isn't if changes will happen, it's how you handle them. Today, we're talking about how to manage change effectively so your team stays aligned, your schedule stays under control, and your project stays profitable. Let's jump in. Construction projects are complex, and even with the best planning, things don't always go according to plan. Lots of things can cause change in projects, like owner-driven scope changes, unforeseen site conditions, design modifications, material availability, and regulatory updates. Change isn't always bad, but when it's not managed well, it leads to delays, budget overruns, and a whole lot of frustration. A solid change management process helps you respond to changes without losing control of your schedule or your budget. It usually includes a formal request process, an impact analysis, what does this change mean for time, cost, and resources, documentation and approval, and schedule updates to reflect the change. It's all about creating transparency and making sure every change is tracked and agreed upon before the work gets done. Let's say you have a change to your project that needs to be tracked. That's where tools like TeamGantt come in handy, because with TeamGantt, you can adjust your schedule in real time using simple drag and drop. You can track your baseline versus your current timeline, so you always know what shifted. You can add comments, documents, or photos to tasks for full context, and use notes or labels to flag tasks impacted by a change order. It's a great way to make sure the whole team understands what's changing and when. And if you just need a simple way to log changes, we've got a free change order template. It's perfect for tracking requested changes, approvals, costs, and status. You can access it at the link in the description. So remember, change is inevitable in construction, but with the right process and the right tools, it doesn't have to derail your project. TeamGantt makes it easy to adapt, communicate, and keep your team in sync when plans shift. Try it out or grab our free Excel change order template at TeamGantt.com. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more practical tips to keep your projects running smoothly. See you next time.